Introducing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, a watch that defines timeless elegance and precision. With its sleek and minimalist dial, this piece embodies Rolex's rich heritage in watchmaking. The Oyster case, first introduced in 1926, revolutionized the industry as the world's first waterproof watch case, ensuring dust, heat, and moisture resistance. Paired with Rolex's Perpetual movement, this watch is completely self-winding, meaning it harnesses the energy from your wrist movements, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and reliability. The smooth stainless steel bracelet and polished bezel give it a refined yet sporty look, making it the perfect everyday luxury timepiece. Whether you're at a formal event, in a business meeting, or just out for a casual day, the Oyster Perpetual's versatility ensures it complements every occasion. With 100 meters of water resistance, durability meets sophistication, giving you a watch that lasts for generations. Experience the legacy, precision, and innovation that Rolex is known for with the Oyster Perpetual. Like this video? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more premium watch reviews.